Hello friends, it's Reza from channel Reza Blade, joining you from Beautometry, doing our countdown to Halloween advent calendar unboxing. And I'm so excited, but I am going to give us a couple of minutes for people to join us. I do hear that that is just being polite if you are doing a live, to give everybody kind of a minute to hop on and join us and enjoy this last package with me. If you are new, I don't think there are many of us who will be new to these, because I've been doing this for about 11 days, but I received a giant package from Therese at Beautometry. It is a 20 item countdown to Halloween advent box, and it has been so much joyous fun. If you haven't caught any of them, they're on my YouTube channel, Reza Blade, R-E-Z-A space Blade, and I hope that you do enjoy those with me, because it has been so much fun joining everybody and checking out how much people like these gifts. Today, sorry, I realized I just saved that empty bag because I loved the Manny idea that it had as decoration. Today is our day 20. Now that doesn't mean that we won't have a live stream tomorrow, because tomorrow is going to be the giveaway. There is a Facebook post on the International Nail Society with Beautometry Facebook group for the giveaway. The item that we're giving away, oh, where is it? Oh, okay, here we go. Is this brand new Shrek plate of the dragon. Number 6, if you want to go look up those images. And you do have to comment on the giveaway post to enter the giveaway, and I'll give you a number. So, and then I'm going to pick the person tomorrow at noon. Well, during the live at noon. And I'll have an unspecified surprise demo for you. So without any further ado, let us see. Oh, I'm going to definitely use some scissors on this guy. Always keep scissors in your nail space. You never know when you'll need them. Now, I use my sewing scissors more for cutting around decals than for sewing. So, all right. What have we got here? Oh my God. You know, I had heard of this, but get out of the shrink wrap. I need to see this thing. This is a magic wand. Straight up, this is a magic wand. Oh my goodness. Get off, get off, get off. Oh, I have to see you. Oh my goodness. Can you see everybody? Oh my goodness. I guess this has got to be like pewter or something. There's some heft here. Oh my goodness. This is intense. This is a dream come true. Talk about Halloween. Oh, would you like to color in your nails with a magic wand? Why, yes. Yes, I would, Therese. And she came in for me. She came through. Oh my goodness. This is the best thing ever. Okay, so the thing I had kind of in mind, because I knew not to the extent that I would have an awesome gift, but I did know along the lines of what to plan for each day. I am going to do some lead lighting with you today. We have all these hit the bottle jelly shots in all my different colors that I have. There are many more colors than what I've got, but here, this is a sheer white. It's really awesome. This is perfect, by the way, for milk bath nails. If you ever wanted to do milk bath nails, but you didn't want to mess with the gel, this sheer white is perfect for those. And my first plan, let's see, my grand plans don't always work out, but I always film them so you can see what happens. This is called Bumblebee in the Hit the Bottle jelly shots, and this one is called Fireball. So I have this nail here. Now the way that I prep these is how you'll prep your nails if you want to do lead lighting. I applied this stamp, I top coated it with my regular quick dry top coat, and then you use a matte top coat so that you can get in there. It's just so much more, what's the word? It applies more even if you don't have that glossy top coat messing up all your grand plans. Speaking of grand plans. All right, so what I'm doing, I don't know if you can see because this is kind of on the edge, is I'm adding some Fireball to my little pop lid, soda lid. And then I'm gonna kind of drop some Bumblebee into there. And because orange is what I'm looking for, you can absolutely be a little more generous with the yellow than you were with the red. All right, let's see what happens here. So I'm going to use my magic wand. Come on, guys, this is so cool. Use my magic wand to stir these. And then I'm just going to test it real quick on the same paper that I'm going to wipe my brush on between layers. Some more Bumblebee. The other option you can do here is you can take a bunch of top coat or clear polish. Usually clear polish works a lot better. But you can take that and then put one little drop in of your color. That's actually how I made this black, which I tested on here for you to see on my tile, my demo tile. All right. Whether this works or not, this mixture is going to be done. But yes, I have, oh good, it's a nice bright red orange. So I steady my hand with my pinky finger. Most of you know that I am disabled, I have a trimmer, but I still do all this nail art stuff, so you can too. And then you're just going to carefully stay within the lines. Now I have to blow your brain in a minute with the black one, because those little footprints on black are going to be so much fun to color in. You don't have to be careful at all. Now, after you do all these, you just top coat it and you're done. How do you like? That's a wand brush. Yes, Jennifer, that's a wand brush. Whoops, hold on. Something very bad happened. You just saw my ceiling fan. Oh my goodness. Yes, that's a wand brush. What was I trying to do here? Oh, I was trying to show you the wand brush. See, Jennifer? It's so cool. This is awesome. Okay, so I don't know actually what I was telling you when I was messing up. Oh, see? It's just really fun to do. And then if you have green or you make green, then you do that as the top. Just fun there, see? So that's how easy lead lighting is. I'm going to change colors. By the way, that image is from the new Bee Loves Plates brand. That's her Halloween plate that pumpkin image is from. All right. So now I'm probably going to do one more. I'm just going to play with this octopus. I'm going to do kind of an ombre for him. It's actually a gradient. The technical term for ombre is how you make a gradient with members of the same color little grouping. And since I'm going from deep pink to purple, when I'm not combining colors, I always take what I need from the brush because I don't like to see things wasted. All right, see how cool this is? Okay. And with lead lighting, you're always going to get that kind of subtle color. But now, I'm going to change colors and get really messy with my, what's it called? Probably, I'm going to use maybe some red up here to make it a little bit more obvious, a color change. And then before I go, I'm going to show you how fun it is to do lead lighting by stamping white on a black base. Oh yeah, there it is. That's better. So here is my ombre tentacle. Now that is from the Bee Loves Plates Ahoy mini plate. It is such a cool image. All right, so that being said, my very last little thing, this is from one of the new Monsters plates from Moyu London. You're gonna die when you see this. It's black. You're just working on black. That is all you have to do. Now, if you're working like with white on taupe or something, you'll still have to paint it in with your brush. But I swear, all right, let's see how the yellow does. I have banana feet. Banana feet. Let's make teal feet. Shall we have teal feet? All right, there are my many rainbow feet. And that is how easy it is to do lead lighting on black with white stamping. So I'll show you a little bit about how it heals right up and looks all fantastic and professional once you put on that top coat. Now that's still drying because I used a lot more than on this, but here's my standard quick dry top coat going over that. And if you're doing something with a lot of color, wipe off your top coat brush before you stick it back in your top coat bottle, because I swear the one time you forget it is when you're going to turn your top coat red. And there we go. And that's our little lead lighting demo. I hope you've enjoyed it. Because this is the last actual opening, like I said, I'm still casting tomorrow with the live giveaway and another demo. But since this was the last actual opening of the box, I wanted to kind of do a treat thing today. And I'm going to pull out all of my favorite gifts from this 20 item box that Therese worked so hard for us to create for us. And what a value, might I add. So here is where I start, of course, that amazing 7mm wand brush. All right, and we've got the plate. This did come with the box. I'm giving it away because I already have it. We have those nail vinyls, which will be fine. They'll apply fine as long as you take them off with bare hands and not a glove. We've got these beautiful nail foils, which I finally got to work, by the way. All I needed was Beautometry's nail glue. And I literally waited 5.5 minutes for it to dry. And it turned out so good. Can you not see how awesome that is? Grim Reaper's clear foil. And then, by the way, Therese did warn me that, or note that it's part of the procedure. Once you peel off that clear strip when you're applying the foils, and let me show you actually, I rubbed them in with, I used this little thing to rub them in onto the nail. Mermaid. That is going to be sticky. So put your top coat on right away. All right. First item we got was this awesome Embrace the Dark Side 03 plate from Hit the Bottle. We got the Alien plate from Bee Loves Plates. We got the Manny Saver. We got the Mermaid Magic, which is, I mean, because this is hard pressed, this is like the most value I've ever seen as far as powder goes. We have awesome ombre or gradient plumeria soap, handmade. We have Moyu. We have stamping polish. Danny Viana, beautiful custom that glows in the dark. Miss Sparkle, gorgeous magnetic. We have Bee Loves Plates Kiwi stamping polish. We've got Penelope Lou's. Look at all this, everybody. This is why this is so cool. Cuticle Putty, another awesome polish. Feast your eyes. This is what we did this week. I'm so happy you joined me, and I'll see everybody for the giveaway tomorrow. Have an awesome day. Be nice to yourselves.